It is going to be just a single step process to fix app has been blocked for your protection error in Windows 10. Go to Start menu and type regedit. Right click here and select Run as Administrator. Then expand HKey local machine. Now expand software. Then expand Microsoft. Click here to expand Windows. Then expand current version. Open policies. On the right side, search for Enable LUA. Right click on it, then click on Modify. Change the value data 0 to 1. Then click on OK and close all windows and simply restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.